Ohio individuals. We are creating more shit. We're actually coding this time. We're actually doing a coding session. God damn. It's been years, bro. Like, I can't believe it. So, what we're doing today, and anything useful? Yes, yes. Thanks for asking. We are actually, well, kind of useful, I guess. We are making some progress on the browser. I decided, you know what? Let this be a day for actual development on the browser again, because I haven't been developing a lot lately because of some fucking reasons. I don't know, bro. And yeah, let's develop. So this is where we left off with the pages. So like if you connect, you can then make pages, and you can move to pages, and you can like remove page. Do what you want. Do what you want with this. The page is also available on GitHub. Now I, by the way, changed my name from Osamu KG to Dex 0x Deadbeer because it's obviously a better name in my opinion. So Deadbeer and Seekpeek, and it should be here. So yeah, Seekpeek, small changes. What the hell? Yeah, bro. Last month. Oh my god, that's been years. Truly, that's been years. Truly, I should say. So what we're going to add this time, we're actually going to we have to make something. First of all, I'm gonna have to remove all of this garbage, but aside from that, we have to make a homepage for the browser. So whenever you open the browser, it has a homepage, and it will have like default information about the browser and shit. So because I think that's cool. So let's start by opening the project in nvim main.c, and now I should find actually a I think I'll have to open this in VS Code rather. Okay, after opening it in VS Code, what we are going to do is actually bros, I have no idea. We actually have to create a local resources. Goddamn, not this one. Style. We have to create a I guess local. I'll keep it in local, but I will name a subfolder for the fuck do I name it? Goddamn, Kevin, think, expand your brain. Wait, so this is going to be the HTML file for our homepage. You know what? I'm just gonna name it. No, how the hell? My brain is collapsing under this much pressure for naming things. Sources. I'm thinking of sources, but like, let's just be medium. I don't know. I'll change this in the future, but okay. So homepage. No, yeah, homepage.html. Actually, now that I think about it, I'll have to move this out of the local folder because after we build this, it will have to have these folders in the same location, so it wouldn't cause confusion. Also, why is it named homepug? Homepug. I'm not going to have that naming thing happening. So okay, now I have to put this here and create a simple doc type HTML thingy. So let's see. Big brain. Actually, I don't even need a title in my browser, and neither I do need this. So actually, let me just have a head tag for no reason because. But aside from that, I need, ladies and gentlemen, I need the body some sort of like, I don't know, to have some sort of feel to it. Like, God bless, I can't type. H1 and big homepage. Actually, welcome to Seekpeek, something like this. And then just copy paste, straight up copy paste whatever I have inside of instead of this. Seekpeek exploit the web to a simple source. So yeah, these nuts. So this. Oh lord. Okay. No, I didn't paste the emoji. Oh my god. How the hell? How the hell are you not able to paste the emoji, bro? How the fuck? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, remove this again, I guess. So, about, I need a like H3 tag for about, and then the text that goes with it, E and this garbage. Okay, for now I'm just gonna go. I guess have this. So it's a system where a project I've been working on recently. It doesn't have a specific goal in mind. I work on it because I think it's fun. Okay, I will have to add some sort of shortcuts to it. So let me just add this real quick. Also, now this has to be H2 now that I think about it. H2 and H2. Quick shortcuts guide. So shortcuts are pretty straightforward if you're a Vim user. I will add them later though because I still have to add coming soon. I have to add lists instead of my program, so instead of my browser. So let's just be coming soon for now, and just let us display this on the first tab that we open, because yeah. Okay. So I'll have to go on in local fetch dot h, and not have a connect event, but rather a. It should be some sort of similar thing to the, not the connect event, but to the connect to the URL. So probably like I don't know, how should I call it? Void connect to file GTK widget self G pointer user data. Okay, something like that. Yes. Then the first, when we create the initial tab, yes. What the fuck? Where the hell do I create it? What the fuck? Shortcut, create new tab. What do I call this? I don't. Shortcut, create new tab. What the fuck? Create current tab. No, it doesn't work. Create initial tab. Are you kidding me? Initial container. It's been like a month since I've read this code, so like I'm kind of confused at what I did before then. So yeah, let me just recap on this real quick because I have to catch up. Tabs notebook. Okay, we had the class. Okay, we had some stuff. We append to the application container. Okay. Then GTK notebook set scroll. Okay. Then we set this. Okay, and then what? We append the page. Page to the. Okay. Wait. This is the tabs notebook. Append page. Oh Jesus! This is getting. Oh wait. Yeah. Okay. It works. So we connect it to this, and then oh Jesus Christ. Okay. I guess. Now I'll have to open this to see what we actually get here. I mean, what we actually send it. The connect event. Connect event, right? Yeah, connect event. We get the search input from the user data. We take that, okay, and then we create a. Oh god. Okay. Okay. So I'll have to create something like this now. The connect to URL, connect to file. So void connect to file. Void is going to be a hard one. GTK widget self G pointer user data. What the hell? Okay. Now pretty much copying all of this, but not curling it, rather just fetching the contents from the file. This should be pretty easy in C because C fetching the content, and then doing what? What the fuck? I guess just parsing it and giving it to the. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to copy paste this, bro. It's way simpler. I think it should be better that I make those two functions one, like apps, make them abstracts in some way, like so that they call out that they call some function that for the logic that both of them use. But let it be like this for now. Okay, let it be like this. Connect event to file. Connect. God bless. Connect to file. No, sorry. Connect to connect event. Okay. I'll have to go here. After enabling the node, all of this, I'll have to enter the home page of the browser. Okay, and how should I do that? Connect event, connect to file. It should be a char pointer to the file and size E for file name length. Okay. I don't know if it should be, if I should have it inside of a structure. Should I though? I should, because I see it being used in the future. For example, if we start using this as a preset URL, but I'll probably not do that in my browser, so it's not the point of my browser. It's not in the scope, so I will just deal with this. Resource, okay, we don't need all this, we don't need all this, we don't need to fetch anything. No, okay. Okay, we don't need this. Document. Yeah, okay, this is what we need. Then the HTML response, and this will be the output of the file. So, file, output, file output length, I guess. Okay, now how to read from a file. That's what I have to know. How to read from file in C. I need some safe stuff, like so that it doesn't crash or anything. Fopen. I have to Google is fopen save. We must save then. Oh Jesus. Then fopen. I'm working on legacy code for Windows platform. When I compile the code and it gives me the following. Okay, its function is variable to be unsafe. So to disable operation use. Okay, it will also give me some warnings. Okay. The S doesn't mean stand for safe in this case. It stands for security enhanced. For fopens, the parameters are checked for validity before accepting to open the file. For fopen, you will pass a null pointer for the file name and it will most likely fall to pieces. Fopens doesn't have the problem. Oh, okay. Keep in mind that these bounds checking interfaces like fopens are an optional part of the ISO standard detailed in. Okay. Implementations are not required to provide them, and to be honest, fopen and many other so-called unsafe functions are perfectly safe if you know what you're doing as a coder. It's interesting to know that fopens will trap null pointers for you, but not invalid pointers. Hence, why it's security enhanced rather than safe. You can still cause some damage if you pass an invalid, but not null pointer. What do you mean by invalid? Invalid, like it doesn't point to any useful data that you allocated or something? Because in that case, how do you know that it's invalid? Because it will always point to some location, and it's not its main purpose to be invalid, because it will always point to something. It will always do its job. So like, what the fuck? What do you mean invalid pointer, bro? Pointer. Meaning. An invalid pointer reference occurs when a pointer's value is referenced even though the pointer doesn't point to a valid block. You mean outside of the memory that that the computer has, or just the thing I described earlier? How do I fix invalid pointer operation? Complete uninstall of software and then reinstall. Yeah, sure, bro. Okay. Okay, that's lols. I don't have that function though, so I guess null will crash everything. But, 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 file. Time to follow this. So file fptr. So file pointer, then fopen file name, I guess, and then r. I guess I don't need the file name length then. Okay, and then my string fgets. I'm not sure if f is fgets safe. Yeah, it's safe. Fgets is safe to use in comparison to get since it checks for character array str bounds. Get skip on waiting characters from the user until a new line character is encoded. Oh. Okay, so fgets to get the contents. Let me just fget c fget s reads in at the most on less than size characters from string. Wait, where is that? Okay, character pointer. Okay, integer size. How many? I guess. Well, then do I do need that? No, wait, I need how many. That's going to be interesting. How do I get the size of the file? I'll have to use the cursor or something, as far as I know. That's interesting. What is S though? Stores them into a number pointed to by S. Reading stops after an end of file or a new line. If a new line is read, then it's stored. A terminating node byte is stored after the last character. And what if return value? Returns S on success and null on error, or when end of file occurs when look. Okay, cool. So character pointer to the file output. Jesus. Let's see. Fget safe. Yeah. So. What the hell, bro? Wait, why do you expect me to? What the fuck? What is S again? I forgot. Into the buffer of point. Oh. Well, that's stupid. Why would you return it, bro, if you are storing it inside as well? Reading stops. Okay, whatever. Read files. Let's see. I've got 100 into my string. I have to allocate it. Okay, I guess. I have to allocate. So I have to find the size of file Linux C language. That's going to be interesting. fsig, yeah, I knew it was gonna be fsig. You need to seek to the end of the file and then ask for the position. You can check. You can then seek back, or if seeking, go to the beginning. Okay, ftel. So fseek file pointer, this, and then I need the size, the file output length, the file pointer. I need to see the manual for the ftel, because What does it return? The bytes or something? After function sets the position indicator of the stream pointed by the stream, new position measured in bytes. Okay, and then rewind. File pointer. And then F gets for the character pointer for the file output, and void pointer for status, F status. But we know we will have a big problemo. GUI alert. Okay, failed something. Failed getting file contents. Return file output. Mallocate. I need how many? Wait. Mallocate. Exactly, just the size. Okay, so file output length. Then fgets. So file output and the size of the file name. The size, what? Size from character from sim. So how many? Okay, so you need the file output length, and then the file pointer. And if we can print this successfully, I'm going to be a happy man. Okay. Printf, and then contents of the file sr. God bless. Okay. This. So file name and file output. Okay. This should work in of itself, I should say. Of course, I'm wondering if this will be relative to its position. So if it's going to be inside of build, you'll have to go backwards and into the media, and then that shit. Oof. Okay, now let's call this function. Actually, first I need to go inside of the fetch and update it though, because this is all very important stuff. No, goddammit, the wrong function. Oh my god. Wait, this one, this, no. So, char file name. Okay, and remove this. What the hell? Okay. Now we can go here and call connect to file backwards and something media homepage. HTML. Hell yeah, cool. Okay. Now I need to make. Oh, that's wonderful. Status undeclared, bro. I used it. What? Status, bro. It's there. What do you mean it's undeclared? Status. What the hell? No, not like that. Oh wait, lol. I forgot the semicolon. Okay, segmentation fault. That's nice. That's nice. Always happy to get those. Not really. Make all. What? Okay, I guess then that worked. Then I think if this is this, maybe no. Segmentation fault. File pointer 0c and What? How is it done? Make manual fseek. Seek function sets the file position indicated from the same pointed to by string. Any position measuring the bytes is obtained by adding offset bytes to the position of the seek. Seek end. Okay. Errors involve the whence argument to fseek was not. There's only file offset negative. The value of the one function returns no value upon successful completion. Returns zero and after returns the current offset. What if I just use this one like a normal human being and not the rewind function, because I think it's because of this. I'm not sure though. I'm going to experiment. Pointer. I'm going to experiment. Fuck. Okay. Good. Now we know that that's not the problem. It's because of the right? What if I do it like this? God bless. Right. That didn't change a lot. But what? The fseek function, don't even tell me that the fseek function fails. It fails. Or ftell. I don't know, I can't tell. Get it? Get it? Because I can't tell ftell. Fuck! It's the fseek. Is it fseek though? Because I'm not trusting it at this point. What? Oh, I didn't save it. Okay, yeah, it's the it's the fseek. Fseek. Why though? That pointer. I don't know. Seek and core dump. Core dump after using fseek and C. Okay. The error in particular, you must rewind or fseek the file back to the beginning before fread is done. As it stands, it won't read any data. It's still contain garbage values. That's what I did. Problem is, fread is down here. I mean, this is fgets, but you get the idea. Like that. Here is the problem somehow. Like this problem. Like what is the? Where is this the problem? Oh wait. Wait, if file pointer, should have added this check right from the beginning. GUI alert, failed creating a file pointer. Oh, I see. I see the problem. Maybe the location is wrong, like it something. Wait. I don't know. Media, homepage, like that. What the fuck? Okay, that works somehow. I don't know how, but let it be. Let it be. Okay. Okay, I'm going to. No, not everything, Kevin. God damn it, Kevin. Not everything. Not yet. Okay. And it can actually well, kind of. Let's say not. Well, actually can, but the data contains God bless, contains garbage. It contains end line, so that's why it can't print everything. But what if I let it actually do the whole thing by itself now? Well, that's nice. That's nice to see. Resource. Nice. Oh shit, I gotta pass the pointer to that. Oh my god. HTML container, baby. Okay. So. What Oh, do I have the empty search? The empty. Oh yeah, through empty the search. Where else do I use this resource thing, please? Because I don't wanna mess everything up. Okay, so HTML container, baby. Void HTML container. And HTML container in this case being the HTML container? No? HTML document container. Like this thing. Here? I don't know. It should be. Then I'm going to save this. I'm going to go here and void HTML container. Make all. That didn't quite work as expected. Fuck. Shit. What is the... Maybe it's the wrong HTML document container. I need to append it to the... Yeah, to the thing. What the fuck? And then to connect to file. Okay, so it gets the HTML container. Gets the first child. If the child is not equal to null. Okay, clear resources by HTML container. Parse resources. And then LXP and HTML document destroy. File output. Okay. What is the file output length? So that's what I'm interested in. Printf file output length. The file output length. Like all. Let's see. 602 something. Then why in the world wouldn't it work? The fuck? It also doesn't fail, so there's clearly a problem with parsing, with adding the stuff into it. What if I let it go in the HTML, in the parse structure thing? This is inside of... Yeah, okay. Parse.h. Where's the debug? The debug. Let it be 1. Okay, make call. I wanna see what we are enumerating. We are actually enumerating shit, but yeah, I guess the problem is we can't put it anywhere because of something. Something is blocking us. Why? Just don't. HTML document container. Oh shit, wait, does it have to be the scroll window one? Scroll window, I don't know. I will not know until I test it out. But why would it be? I don't get it. Let's just do it. Oh boy, no, it's not. Tabs application. Pen page. Boy, create initial tab. Wait, if I connect to an event, get child, current page, connect event. The connect event will get the search input. Okay. Here we'll get the current page. Okay. Then the HTML container by the get child from the viewport. Okay. So I'm taking this, bro. I don't know, bro. I'm taking this if this is the thing that I'm using to fetch the HTML container. So HTML container. Where the hell? Down here? Oh fuck. Oh, what? Can you copy this? Thank you. Okay. So homepage number. And tabs notebook. Scroll element. I'll just name this TMP scroll element. TMP viewport. TMP. Okay. And then pass this. It should work. Error 1. TMP, oh yeah, right. TMP viewport. TMP scroll element. Make all. Let's see. Shit, it doesn't work. Why though? It clearly enumerates through the data structure, but it doesn't get it out. Connect to file. Do I have to call this after the window has presented itself? It might be because of that, but no, I don't think so. What if I append stuff to it? Like just for the sake of it? Next. Maybe the HTML container, the HTML thing is the problem. There might be something that it fails to understand. I don't know. I'll just present this. Okay, now I see. So there was clearly an issue there. Oh, and now I see. Yeah, okay, nice. I wanna die. We have a problem. Wait. I'm not sure where the problem is here, but it's surely because of the end lines here, the break lines. But if that's the case, then why can I see it being parsed just fine here? It doesn't make sense. Moreover, if I remove this, one, two, three, four, five, six. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Patience. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It may not actually be able to read it somehow. Maybe the content is actually fucked up. Do I have to use the rewind one? No joke. I think the previous solution the first solution that I used was could have worked no problemo. Document container. So let's see, make all. Yeah, of course it works. Okay. fact, I was amazed by it that it didn't work. But yeah, I wanna rewind. I wanna try it with the rewind, bro. Seek rewind 5.0. Maybe it's because of that. Well, never mind. F gets output status. I can't. I don't get the point of wait. For integer I equals 0, I less than file output length type of plus printf and the character from the file output plus I. Okay. What? Now that's interesting because we get that far, but we don't get the multi-line. Are you serious? F gets does not work. F read, bro. F read all my life. Pointer. Yes. Size. Oh boy, what the fuck? Reads nmap items of data each size bytes long. On the stream pointed to by the stream, storing at the location of the PTR. Okay, and that's how many it reads. F read. Let's see. Please give me an example. Yeah, because it's 1 byte per each thing. So okay. Okay, I get it. Now let me do this. F read. We set the location, so the file output, then the file output length plus 1, and the file pointer. Return value on success F read and if return the number of values. This number equals the number of bytes transferred when the size is 1 if an error occurs. If an error occurs on the end of the file is 3, the return value is short term count or 0. What the fuck? File pointer. Price D. Red. Count. 0. Smaller or equal to 0. I call. Fuck. Status. Void status. Okay. Failed getting file contents. What? What if I don't do it though? It shouldn't fail at all. Then what the fuck? Why did you fail? What the? Wait, return value. If an error occurs on the end of the file is reached, the return value is a short item or 0. Wait, or the end of the file is reached, F3 doesn't distinguish between end of file and error. The coder must use FOF, F error to determine which code. Guys, I am sugar. Okay, remove this, I guess, then. I don't need this, not either, and... yeah, okay, never mind. Now, I can go to homepage and, I guess remove all of this. And I can safely say that this will load. Good things. Which one? Testing out, because... yeah. Let's go... make all. Nice! We got ourselves a working browser again. So if I go to localhost, it will reset it. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Localhost. Now, what happens if I do other shit with it, like start playing with it? Like, will it break in some sort of way? Not really. Okay, cool. Example.com. Okay, cool. Cool. We got stable shit. We got stable software. Some. Let's not call it stable, but it's good enough. It's good enough. 0, and going back to this, I will remove the unnecessary things. Create a basic homepage and call it a day for this video, I guess, because that's what the goal was. And ladies and gentlemen, we managed to create what we wanted. So H1 Seekpeek P we can export to the web. Simple as well, yeah. Then I need a H2 tab. No, what the hell? About. Okay. And then H2 shortcuts. Coming soon. I'll implement this after I implement a list inside of my program. I mean, inside of my my browser. One thing that's bugging me are the BRs. I need to have some BRs, so I mean break lines and shit. So I think that will be the next thing I'll implement. But for now, that's it. We got ourselves a working homepage. Actually, for the sake of it, let me just add an image. Oh, images though. Another local thing. To be fair, that's just an easier version of the function that I use to parse local images. But okay, let it be a remote image. I don't know. Browser image. No, not browser. Internet. I don't even care if it's copyrighted or not. I just want a cool ass image. This. I like seeing this up close because, yeah. So, AMG SRC. What the hell? It didn't copy what. Okay. Like so, and remove, like that, and hopefully now we got ourselves stuff. Okay, it works. That's nice. That's nice. That was a nice video, I guess, a nice video experience after a while. So hope you enjoyed it. Now I'll be pushing this on this code onto my GitHub, and yeah, that was it, I think, for now, for this video. In the next video, hopefully I'll be doing some FreeBSD content, and I don't know, I'll try to see if I can do something more more creative, or come up with different ideas for different kinds of videos. I've been also thinking about doing academic paper review and stuff like that because I like reading studies. In effect, I even have gotten myself a repository for the studies that I really like. Here I'll be posting the coolest the coolest ones that I ever found. So if you're interested, yeah, you can check it out. It's pretty dope. So yeah, that's all for this video.